We've been like driving down the road going like, oh, O'Reilly, because we've been to literally an O'Reilly Auto Parts in every single city that we've been in so far. So frustrating. We're kind of 100% over RVing. We don't even have time or the desire to document everything that breaks on this. And it's also not what we want our YouTube channel to be. It's us driving around the country complaining. 2 days ago, the water pump started making some weird noise and broke. Every single time something happens, Tim has to spend the day diagnosing it, reading about it, learning about it, figuring out how to fix it, and then we don't have an address or anywhere to ship anything. So you can't just like order it on Amazon and like have it in 2 seconds. We have to like call ahead, figure out where we're gonna stay, see if they'll accept shipments for us, and then like see if that even can fix the problem, or if we have to book an appointment at an RV repair place. That all happened yesterday, figuring that out. And then literally just now, we're packing up right here to go. We're just pulling out. And what, I don't even know. I was doing something else when that all happened. Something's broken on the front.
So the motor cover is just, it has a bracket on each side that holds it. And like, the bracket is just glued to the fiberglass, which I didn't know until, you know, looking at it to see why it's broke. But then you hop online and like start reading about it, and it's not like you're the only person it's happened to. There's a forum filled with people like, I was driving 65 miles per hour and my motor cover fell off and it damaged this and stuff. It's just like, it's just really poorly made stuff. And once again, this is a 12-year-old Winnebago, but also on the same forum complaining about this is other people who are like, I just got it. It's, you know, 20,000 miles on it and stuff's falling apart already. So I can only imagine if you paid more than $20,000 for an RV and then things start falling off of it. And then it goes to the comment, well, it's like taking a house and throwing it down the highway. But yeah, like that's... Vehicles are tough. That's why they're expensive and like they're purpose built. It doesn't make any sense that the brackets are glued and not like
Everybody who made this knew it was going to be driving down the highway.
Right. It's not a surprise. It wasn't supposed to be a Camry, and then it's like, whoa, people are living in it. It's frustrating. We have other stuff we need to do with our time. So just the image of like, oh, get in an RV and you know you'll be. You can focus on your business instead of taking care of your house stuff. There's like more chores to do with an RV as opposed to just sitting in an apartment working.
Today, we're supposed to be driving out to the Tetons, and I'm all excited and like planning the beginning of season 3 and how that's gonna like look cinematically and everything, like us getting into the Tetons and all this stuff. And then like, no, instead of going to the Tetons today, like we're driving to Home Depot. I mean, there hasn't been a state that we've been to yet that we haven't had to fix something like I wouldn't call this an emergency, like we're not straight on the side of the road, but like we have to do this today, otherwise we risk the front of the RV falling off. So like that's semi-emergency. It's changing our plans, and we haven't been anywhere yet where we haven't had to do this. Like every single place we've visited, we've just been going to the hardware stores, or I mean, we've been like singing the repair store jingles. We've been like driving down the road going like, oh, O'Reilly, because we've been to literally an O'Reilly Auto Parts in every single city that we've been in so far.
This piece of fiberglass off the front, because it's really heavy, and then there's metal brackets on each side, and then I got JB Weld. I'm gonna clean it up and then just C-clamp it and put the JB Weld on before I clamp. That should fix it.
Tim fixes the front of the RV, we just got some mail here at the RV park for the water pump problem. One day, two problems. This is apparently what a water pump looks like. Step 1, order the water pump. Step 2, install it. Step 3, stop having problems.
On our RV, the water pump's under here. This is where water pump is. Is it wet down here today? No, it's bone dry. Thank you. Do you think it'll get shocked? It's 12 volt, it can't be that bad.
Hold on. What? We're doing electrical stuff?
I didn't want to, but I think I have to. Let's
Okay,
see.
well,
Hold
why
on.
don't I...
Hold on.
No, you hold on. You hold on.
Hold on. No, I think I got this.
Wait, let me... Let me go unplug us and turn off the power switch. Those sound like maybe two good ideas.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Okay, you're giving me the go-ahead for the water pump?
I guess, do it.
Okay. Oh! Oh, that sounds so weird.
Okay, now try running a faucet.
Moment of truth.
And turn this off. Okay, new water pump's in. It's actually working. It has a lower gallons per minute flow, so that will help us with water use a little bit, since we kind of wanted that anyways. And then we found the source of the noise. There were just some loose, do you even call them pipes? Some water tubes in here, some PEX that was rattling around in the bathroom. The last thing we have to do is put the hood on. These repairs, they're a huge pain in the ass. I don't want to do them, but at least this is something that like you can get apart, swap out, and is within the realm of my capability, limited as it is. As long as the hood stays on there. It's a lot more frustrating when it's something with the engine, like I have no idea. So I guess we're lucky because this is the sort of thing I can fix.
Thanks, Tim. You did a great job fixing it.
Amazing.
Plus, we don't have to take it to somebody and have another episode like Phoenix where someone just like steals our RV and we're stuck. So we're
over that.
We're over that. I'm just saying. I'm throwing back to another episode so that if you've been on the journey with us, you're like, I saw that episode, and I'm like, thanks for watching that episode. Okay, Tim.
Look at Pepper.
Pepper's deciding to have her breakfast now that it's 4 p.m. And I just want to show you Tim's fix since he didn't take you on this tour. This is our solution for the rattly water tubes.
That's as much as I've got right now, dude.
Water tubes, dirty bag. Just shove it in there. We're under the sink right now. And they won't rattle.